Hello. This recording is about actually finishing solving the percentage problems. If you haven't seen the previous recording, which is 18B, then go look at that so that you can make sure you know how to find the base, the rate, and the part. Because I'm going to assume you know how to do that. So that was all explained in 18B. Now, this covers not only the rest of 18, but it covers 19 also. In these lessons, the text has about 2 or 3 different ways to solve these problems, but you only need one. So I will show you one well-organized way, and just go with that one is my recommendation. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, now the formula we're going to use is base times rate equals part. And we'll use it for all of the problems. So here's example 1. If the base is 70, and the rate is 10%, and the part is unknown, you write down 70 times 0.10 equals X. And you multiply 70 times 0.10 and you get 7. That's the answer. Admittedly, that's the easiest one, where the X is the thing that's already on its own on one side by itself. Now let's go to example 2. The base is X. The rate is 0.10. And the part is 70. So we stick them all in the main formula here. X times 0.10 equals 70. Now, we want the X alone. X is currently not alone because it's multiplied by this 0.10. We want X alone. So we do the opposite of multiply by 0.10. We divide by 0.10. And 0.10s on this side cancel. So we get X equals 0.10 into 70, which turns out to be 700. And we're done. Okay, example 3. Okay, now we did one where the part was the x. We did one where the base was the x. What do you think the next one's going to be? Oh, yeah, right. The rate is the x. Okay, so we've got the base is 700. The rate is x. That is, that's what we're asked to find. And the part is 210. We plug it into the same formula. 700, the base is 700, so we put that in first. The rate is x, and the part is 210. And we want x alone. Currently, it's not alone because it's multiplied by 700. So we do the opposite of multiply, we divide. And these guys cancel. And we get x equals 210 over 700, which is 0.30. And that's 30%. Because we have to move the decimal place 2 places to the right. So far, so good. Okay. One last example. It's not really different from the others, but what happens is that it's a lot like example 3. Okay, so example 4. Yeah, I can. I need to go to the next page. I'm sorry. Okay, so example 4. We've got the base is 40. The rate is unknown. And the part is 100. And we get out our handy dandy formula, which says base times rate equals part. And we go plugging it in. 40 times x equals 100. And we divide by 40. Nothing new. And we get x equals 100 over 40 equals 2.5. Now, x is a rate, so they really want it as a percent. What's 2.5 as a percent? Well, we still have to move the decimal place over 2. 1, 2. Oh, so we need to put another 0 in there, so we have something to move it to. So we get 250%. And that's a perfectly fine answer. Just because it's more than 100% is not a problem. Just means the part is bigger than the base. Okay, so that's how to do the problems in 18 and 19. Go do them.